Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I haven't filmed for a long time, so today we're gonna be watching the funniest and annoying sneezes ever. So let's get it. Bro, what kind of sneezes? Bro, what is that? It's a cough and what? That's a cough. What? It's just all girls. Was she choking? That was a cough. So that sounded like she threw up. Was she choking? She's choking. She's choking. Bro. Hold on, go back. Look at this. A random hot dog just pops out of nowhere with headphones. Look at that mustard. Look at that ketchup. He's doing the dab. Oh yeah. Time to dance. It's the dance floor. Oh, just do the dab. What a shame. That's a cough. So a few more and that's a few more and that's it. Bro. She's choking. Oh my god. She was choking. Whoa. What? That was a sneeze. So two more, or 5 more, and I'm gonna be ending this video. What kind of what? So be ending this video one more. Bro, she sounded like a horse. So like and subscribe. At least 300 likes or 300 views. So so 300 views and let's get it. So comment down below what's your favorite baseball team and your favorite soccer team. Peace.